7, general knowledge. Today we discuss about the lesson 12, Indian forts. In this video we have study about the Mehrangarh Fort, Gwalior Fort, Golconda Fort, Jaisalmer Fort, Chittorgarh Fort and Sindhu Durg Fort. But before that we discuss about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. As you know that I have given homework on 14th July, lesson 11, Indian libraries. And homework is where are the following libraries located? So 5 libraries name given, see one by one. First, Raja Library, Rampur, Uttar Pradesh. This one also known as Raja Library. David Shanshon Library, Mumbai, Maharashtra. State Central Library, Hyderabad, Telangana. Allahabad Public Library, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. And Connemara Public Library, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. You have write this homework in copy in proper way and write name, class and section in comment box. Okay. As you know that many students watch the video but not send in comment box name, class and section. So I remind you and I inform to you, please you have write name, class and section in comment box, because on the basis of CBSE attendance is a activity, part of activity. So you all student, please you have write name, class and section in comment box for your attendance. As you know that attendance is a part of activity. So all students, please. First fort is Mehrangarh Fort. You know that see this diagram, this is a very beautiful fort of India. This fort located in Jodhpur, Rajasthan, and it was built around 1459 by Rao Jodha. It comprises of 7 gates and has a well-stocked museum exhibiting the heritage of the Rathors in arms, costumes and paintings. Now see, this is a inside fort. Here inside the fort, this is a very, you know that this is a very beautiful paintings and art and crafts. Here see costumes used. This is a Mehrangarh Fort. Next fort is Gwalior Fort. This famous fort is located on a hill near Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and has been owned by the several rulers across the countries. It is primarily famous for its 2 main palaces, Gujari Mahal Palace and Man Mandir Palace, which was built by King Man Singh Tomar. This is the gate of the Gwalior Fort. You know, so here very attractive and also very beautiful monument. Next fort is fort number 3, Golconda Fort, and this fort situated in Hyderabad. This famous fort, meaning round hill, is located in Hyderabad and was early capital city of the Qutub Shahi dynasty. The fort was built on a granite hill by the Kakatiyas for defensive purposes. This fort consists of four distinct forts and eight gateways. Many world famous diamonds like Kohinoor, Hope, Jacob, etc. were extracted from the diamond mines in Golconda. This is a very famous fort of Hyderabad. Now this is a inside here. When you go inside, see this. This is a Golconda fort. Okay. Next fort was fort number 4, Jaisalmer Fort. You know that Jaisalmer is situated in Rajasthan. This fort means Jaisalmer Fort is the second oldest fort of Rajasthan and it is located in the city of Jaisalmer. It is considered to be one of the few living forts in the world as a lot of people still live in the fort. As the yellow sandstone walls of the fort change shades during different times of the day, it is also known as Sonar Kila, and this is a very famous fort of Jaisalmer and situated in Rajasthan state. Next fort is very famous fort, Chittorgarh Fort. This fort was the capital of Mewar and is located in Chittor, Rajasthan. It was controlled by the several rulers across history. Time to time rulers change. It is designed roughly like a fish and is famous for several important structures like Meera Mandir, Padmini Palace, Kirti Stambh and Vijay Stambh. These are the attractive point of Jaisalmer, point of Chittorgarh Fort, and this one also you know that this is the one of the very famous fort of India. Next and last fort is Sindhudurg Fort. This famous fort is located on the shore of Malwa, Maharashtra, and it was built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj to counter the colonization by foreigners, means defense from the foreigners. Foreigners means foreigners on the Maratha land. The high walls of the fort were designed to save the fort from high tides. You know that in sea high tides, low tides come. They protect the high wall, protect from the high tides of the Arabian Sea and infiltration from the enemies. This high wall of Sindhudurg Fort protect from the high tides of Arabian Sea as well as from the foreigner enemies. Now all student, now you have write homework of lesson 12 Indian ports of date 16th July. Homework is, where are the following famous forts located? Give the place name where these famous forts are located. First number, Mehrangarh Fort. Second, Gwalior Fort. Third, Golconda Fort. Fourth, Jaisalmer Fort. Fifth, Chittorgarh Fort. And sixth, Sindhudurg Fort. First, you have tried to solve this homework in copy. In next video, I will solve this homework, and when I send the PDF file of this homework or when I solve it, then you match whatever is wrong. And I remind again, please, I request you, all of you, listen. In comment box, please send name, class and section for attendance, because attendance is a part of activity. So all of you, please do this activity in proper way. Give name, class and section. Write down name, class and section in comment box. And God bless you. Be safe, be healthy and study in proper way. Thank you.